One of the most popular trends in the weight loss and health industry is the concept of detoxing. There are many regimes, cleanses, and diets built around the sole premise of removing toxins from your body. But do they really work? Is there any scientific evidence to support the claims made by companies selling expensive detox products? Are you actually benefiting by detoxing, or it's just a waste of your time, energy, and precious money? Today we're talking all about detoxification. Stay tuned. Hi guys, what's up? First of all, let me ask you to subscribe to my channel and help me grow it. I would highly appreciate that. So before digging into whether or not detoxes work, why people do them, and how you should empower yourself with this information, I want to quickly expand upon what detox means. Detox is actually a legitimate medical procedure done under hospital setting whereby toxic aka dangerous substances are removed from the body, such as drugs, alcohol, or some heavy metals. But this term is loosely used in the marketing of diets, cleanses, and products to remove the dubious toxins from the body. Detox diets range from total starvation fasts to juice fast to food modification approaches, and often involves the use of laxatives, vitamins, minerals, and/or cleansing foods. Basically, these are built upon the claim that your body is constantly accumulating toxins that result in a host of symptoms like headache, digestive distress, fatigue, insomnia, aches and pains, and that toxins result in illness. But what is fascinating is that detox promoting quacks have never been able to document any kind of toxins ever. The entire premise of detoxification is completely bogus, since it assumes that your fabulous body is not constantly getting rid of the so-called toxins it is exposed to. These marketing gimmicks simply play with the sentiments of people, have no basis in science, and do more harm than any good to your body. As I like to tell all my clients, if you have a liver, a kidney, a gastrointestinal system, a respiratory system, a lymphatic system, then my dear, you don't need some special aid, because your body is constantly detoxing on its own. As Adzard Ernest, professor of complementary medicine at Exeter University, describes it, there are two types of detox. One is respectable and the other isn't. The respectable one is the medical treatment of people with life-threatening drug addictions. The other is the world being hijacked by entrepreneurs and quacks to sell a bogus treatment that allegedly detoxifies your body of toxins you're supposed to have accumulated. It's a scandal. Now, the two most common flawed mindsets that lead people to do detox diets are: number one, it will lead to quick weight loss. So the 10-day master cleanse where you drink nothing but lemon water throughout the day, the 7-day juice cleanse, 21-day detox challenge, and on. These are all fad diets that lead to nothing but water loss and loss of your precious muscle tissue, because they are literally starvation diets. The other day I was having a conversation with one of my friends who sweared by 1 week detox diet plan that was delivered on her doorstep. She told me that this wasn't the starvation diet, it was a 1,000-calorie diet comprising of smoothies, juices, green teas, and some tiny amount of food. She lost 5 kgs in 7 days and lived happily ever after. Right? No! After just a couple of weeks, she had not just gained the 5 kilos back, but additional 2 more. Why would you even want to make yourself miserable in the hope of quick water loss? Your goal should be fat loss, which can only be achieved slowly by changing your habits permanently. So the only boost you get when you do a detox diet is emptying your wallet, not to mention the boost in frustration. The second flawed mindset why people do a detox diet is that it makes them feel wonderful. Really? I mean, have you even ever tried consuming a real food diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables, ample amount of protein and complex carbs, along with the regular consistent exercise and movement that you enjoy? If your answer is no, then you don't even know what it feels like to feel wonderful. The reality is eating a detox kind of extremely low calorie diet with inadequate amount of protein invariably leads to lowering of energy levels and metabolic rate. The takeaway message is detox diets are a bunch of BS. Detox diets are a scam. They cause more harm than any good. There is no scientific evidence to support the idea that detox products or methods will remove toxins from your body and that your own body is not capable of handling these so-called toxins. I too have been a victim of the desperation to lose weight as fast as I could and putting myself on detox plans many times in my life. All I lost was time, energy, and not to mention a sense of failure coupled with frustration that kept my weight loss struggle alive. So my request is don't fall for these kind of fad detox diets. Consume a diet with tons of green leafy and other vegetables, fruits, proteins, carbs and good fats. Even if you overindulge in a vacation, your smart body doesn't require special detox aids to get rid of the toxins. Just resume your healthy diet along with plenty of fresh air, sunlight and consistent exercise and you'll be rejuvenated in no time. Now question for you. I want to know if you've ever tried to detox. If yes, how was your experience? And if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. I would love to help you out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends who you think might benefit and remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't yet picked up a copy of my free weight loss guide called the 5-Step Formula to Lose Weight Permanently Without Dieting or Crazy Exercise, please make sure that you do pick it up. Link in the description box. And I would love you to come on over at dranugupta.com and join my community so that I can talk to you personally via email and give you some solid advice and tips to keep you moving forwards. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you very soon.